Hey guys, Mr. AP here once again. As promised in the last video tutorial, we're gonna fix the errors. Again, the errors appear or occur because we declared 8 global variables. These are JButtons. Remember, this panel has 8 buttons, the buy buttons. So we need to declare those in its class. And for them to work, we need to initialize them using the constructor. So the constructor has these. So what I did was I declared 8 local variables because we have 8 global variables, and I assigned every local to every global. So this is the assignment operation, right? So again, after doing that, errors appear in the main form. So let's go to the source code so we can fix it. So let's go to the pizza product panel creation. So where is that? Let's go to that panel creation. So where is the error? I think it's up here. You go. Right? This is where the pizza product panel creation. Now, as you can see, the underline is here, Mr. APY. Remember, the constructor is here. There are 8 local variables we declared inside the parentheses of the constructor. But the problem is the parentheses of this is they have nothing inside of them, right? So by the way, when you do the new thingy, let's say for example this one, new pizza products panel, the constructor of this class is called, and look at the constructor of that class. It has 8 local variables. That's why they don't match. So our job is to make them match. We must match this from the main code, main form, to this, to the constructor. Yeah, so again, if there are local variables in the constructor of this class, there must also be 8 variables in this parenthesis. Okay, I'm ready. I hope you are ready. So the first inside the parenthesis, the first variable in the parenthesis must be J button G, and G is for the gluten button. So let's find that button. So let's go down here to search for that button. I think I found it. This is the button for the gluten, right? So I'm gonna transfer that up there. So I'm gonna cut Control or Command X. I'm gonna paste it before this error. So there must be 8 buttons here before this creation of pizza product class or object. So we're done with the gluten button. So the second one must be Quattro, right? BTN Quattro. So again, let's go down here. We need to find that button creation, and I found it. This is the button creation for the Quattro pizza product. Let me cut it and let me paste it up here. There you go. 6 to go, guys. 6 to go. The next button is B. That is for the button barbecue. Now, where is that button? I found it. It's here. So we need to transfer this up there. So paste it here. Okay, so how many more? 5 to go, people. The fourth is P, pepperoni. So where is that button creation? Down here. Here, I got it. So I have to transfer this up there. Paste it here. So I 4 down, 4 down, and 4 to go. So the next one I need to transfer up here is the buffalo chicken, buffalo button. So where is the buffalo creation? Buffalo button creation. Here. Oh, pepperoni also. Okay, I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna cut and paste. Where is the other one? Buffalo pepperoni. Is pepperoni done? Wait, I got confused. Pepperoni is done. So I need to transfer buffalo. Buffalo is next. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So chicken, meat lover, and Hawaiian are next. Okay, let's find them. Where are those buttons? Where did we create those buttons? I found the chicken. I found the button meat lover. And also I found the Hawaiian. Now I'm going to transfer these 3 all at the same time. That's why I put them in one line, so I can just transfer all of them at the same time, so I don't have to scroll up and down. It's too tedious, cumbersome, troublesome, tiring. Okay, so I just transferred all those buttons up here before this error. So after that, we are ready to transfer one by one to the constructor. So the first to transfer, make sure they are in the same order. So in the constructor, the first button is for the gluten. So that's the first one. I'm going to transfer from the main form. Okay, comma. In the constructor of the class, the second is Q, and that is for the quattro. So that's the second one, that's the second button I must transfer to the constructor. Again, in the constructor, the third that is being passed is B, and that is for the barbecue. So that's the third I'm gonna pass, and so on and so forth. So again, they must be in the same order. Later on, I will explain to you why they must be in the same order. But for now, trust me, when we get to that part, I'm going to explain why they must be in the same order. Okay, let me just paste out. Let me just copy and paste 2 more. What am I doing? And another one. The other one is Hawaiian. The last one is Hawaiian. There you go. Now the underline is gone, simply because they match. So the method calling, the constructor call, has 8 buttons inside the parentheses, and in the constructor itself there are also 8 buttons, right? So now the error is gone. Now we have to do this for every class that we created. So the second class in the design